Hi, Roch from High Techniques here. Today I want to show you a quick video. It's about 3 minutes long on how to send a DXF file from your email on your desktop to the field software with the tablet and bring it in then to Xpad. So we want to go into the attachment that was sent to me there. So you download it, go into CAD, and we have the industrial shader, equine center, whatever it is. We want to send all the pads and all the holding down bolts there. So we want to create this in a DXF format. So we go File, Save As, and it's a DXF file. And I want to type in Shade Foundation Setout and save that to my videos. So that's saved in DXF, and then I go to Gmail, Compose, and the tablet's address is 193, and we'll just call it the same tag and attach it to here. Last frame foundation, press OK, and it's attached, so 5,000 kilobytes, and we send it. So that's it. That drawing is coordinated already. So if we type in ID to ID a point, return, and select on one of the corners here of, say, the center grid, it's in ITM coordinates. So X and Y in ITM coordinates, and that's the preferable coordinate system, as we've set up a network of control stations already to deal with that. So just want to bring it through then on what looks like the far side and how we are able to bring that into the whole drawn and software on the far side. So catch you later. So from the far side now, we're after sending the CAD file to the desktop, and now I'm just going to bring you through how you bring that drawn into the file. The following videos will show us on site with the setup and the total station setup and how they're able to set out the grid lines and the center lines of the holding down bolts. So we're giving you a whole story of how we're able to produce it from sitting on your desk to standing on the field, and how it all meshes together. So I'm going to go into my Gmail account. That's the shed foundations I'm after sending myself. Go in here to the attachment. Now you can do it two ways. You can tap on download arrow here, or else you can tap on the light blue box and tap on downloads, and that file is going to be coming in to the software. So when that comes in, then we are going to go to Xpad. And I'm going to create a new job, new site, and I'm going to call it Shed Foundations. And with the Shed Foundations, add a new job, and just call it set out. Tap the box and accept. Now, so we're all set up, and if I just check the downloads, that has arrived there, I think. So we're going to go import data, DXFDWG. Now this black folder with the arrow up, you tap that 3 times to get into the download files, and download files are here. And so we import data, just go through this again, DXFDWG, you tap the folder 3 times and you see downloads on top, and you see our Shed Foundation set out file that's downloaded. We'll switch all these on for now. I'll explain that later. Object first says it populates points on every corner and every point, so that's an important one there to have on for a small drone. For a big drone, maybe not as much, but I'll go through that on a later date. Roll all that standard stuff, as long as it's in meters is okay, and we accept that. and it's fairly quick. That was 5,000 plus kilobytes brought in seconds there. So when we go back into CAD, we have a drawing that will look like this, same format, and you can see there that we have the holding down bolts and the grid lines here, and we're all ready to go out on site now with the setup. So that's the rundown. So yeah, just finishing off there. So now we're ready to go on site, and you'll see that from the next video how we'll set up and how we're actually bringing this into life, and we're able to set out from there and consequently construct starting from the desktop. So that's all good. Thank you. From somewhere in Meath, can't tell you where we are, by the way. All top secret. I'm going to flick the camera over here now and show you what is on. See the pads there in the background all the way along, and they have more of them dug out and separated here all the way along. And so this is the big shed that pours on today. And when you look at the CAD, I'll just show you. So this is the shed, and we are set up in stations STO4, STO5 and STO6, and then there's two stations on the right hand side there, or the left hand side as you're looking down. But them three stations here are all down in the shed, down there, and that's all our pads. So you can see all the holes in bolts, Sim 90 and Prism 360 Prism, and then when you zoom in closer, then you can see the first, second and third lines of pads there, and they are, that blue line there is this line that they set out today, all the way along. So they're ready for pouring now today, and then moving on to the next day over along here. But this is the pour for today, all the way up along, and they're the ones that poured the other day. So you can see the simple use of AutoCAD files transferred into XPad, and then when you see Brian then with Unicontrol on the machine over there, and just it all comes together. So the machine is working off the same drawing, the total station is working off the same drawing, and nobody is in the dark of what's going on next. And just the workflow is so much quicker and easier to follow. Less mistakes, more efficiency, all that stuff, all the good stuff. So good experience here this morning.